Your brain is not fixed. It's not some static machine that slows down with age and stress. It's more like a living, changing supercomputer that you can upgrade. Right now, in the next few minutes, you're going to learn simple, science-backed hacks that can actually boost your memory, focus, creativity, even your mood. And no, this isn't some TikTok trend or weird supplement ad. This is real neuroscience, and it starts with just your breath. Let's talk about box breathing. Sounds simple, almost silly. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold again for 4. But here's what happens. Your brain calms down, cortisol drops, and your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision-making, wakes up. Navy SEALs used this before combat. CEOs use it before speeches. And you? You can use it before studying, creating, or solving problems. Now let's talk cold exposure. When you take a cold shower or splash cold water on your face, your brain gets flooded with norepinephrine. This chemical boosts alertness and mood almost instantly. Studies show even 30 seconds under cold water in the morning can improve cognitive performance by 15% throughout the day. Next, movement. Not a full gym session. Just 3 minutes of jumping jacks, high knees, or walking. Why? Because light physical activity increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain. It grows new neurons, strengthens memory, and even helps prevent mental decline. Want to be more creative? Try a dopamine fast. That means no scrolling, no music, no stimulation, for just 30 minutes. Sounds boring. That's the point. When your brain gets bored, it starts making connections. That's when breakthroughs happen. Einstein didn't discover relativity while multitasking. He was riding a bicycle alone, in silence. And here's a strange one, chew gum. Yep. Studies show that chewing gum increases blood flow to the brain and enhances focus and alertness. Students who chewed mint gum during tests scored higher than those who didn't. It's weird, but it works. Finally, light exposure. As soon as you wake up, go outside. Sunlight, especially in the first hour of the day, triggers serotonin release, resets your circadian rhythm, and improves sleep at night. Better sleep means better memory, better mood, and faster learning. No supplement can beat that. So let's recap. Box breathing, cold exposure, 3 minutes of movement, a 30-minute dopamine fast, chew gum, get sunlight. That's it. You don't need smart drugs or expensive brain tech to upgrade your mind. You need habits. Small, weird, science-backed habits that your brain will thank you for. Because in the end, intelligence isn't just what you're born with, it's what you build. One hack at a time.